Vincent here with Flat Screen Clean. Okay, it is Saturday night and we're doing live demos on Amazon Live. But tonight I'm keeping it simple. I just painted it up tonight. I'm just using kids paint to show you how extreme Flat Screen Clean will clean. And yes, it's kids paint tonight. Kids, don't try this at home if you're watching. So I really messed it up tonight. So I painted this on maybe, I don't know, half hour ago. Here, it's dry. So anybody out there want to say hi? You can. Don't be shy tonight. It's Saturday Night Live on Amazon. Oh, it's not so, it's wet here a little bit. Where else have we got here? Okay, so as you know, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. And I messed up one of my customers' TVs when they're using a name brand cleaner. Streaks all over. And I came up with a solution, Flat Screen Clean. And I personally tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date. I call that real time, real dirt, real results. Now, Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product that's both alcohol and ammonia free. So that means you no longer have to have multiple cleaners for all your devices, just one. And it's made from all natural ingredients. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we provide you all the tools needed to ensure your satisfaction. And it will clean to the extreme. From chicken wings to hand cream and everything in between. It even removes permanent marker. But tonight, I just wanted to do kids paint. That's all. I just wanted to paint it up tonight. Paint up Saturday night. So, let's get it on. And then I'll get into what you get and the price. Alright? It's that simple. So, with your 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, which is one of the largest towels on the market, simply we're going to shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. So if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and fire away. Don't be shy tonight, people. Come on. So it's dry. So yeah, usually if this happens and your kids do something, like their art project on the TV, it's dry. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. Now, as you can see, I am spraying it on the screen, directly onto the screen. It's about 4 or 5 inches away from the screen. So we designed Flat Screen Clean to mist onto the screen, so therefore it will not run. So when you come across something on your TV that is actually dried, or whatever flat or touchscreen device you have, your desktop or whatever, and it's dry, you don't want to spray the towel and then go and try to, because you may scratch it, because you want to moisten up what's on the screen first. Me being a professional house cleaner by trade, 20,000 units, over 20,000 units to date. That's what we call real time, real dirt, real results. Now obviously this is going to take some doing, but it is going to become nice and clean. So, being a professional house cleaner also allowed me to test Flat Screen Clean on different varieties of flat and touchscreen devices, high-end and low-end. So whether your TV costs $200 or $5,000, you want Flat Screen Clean in your house, because most people don't shop for a screen cleaner. They only shop for it when they have the problem and they need it cleaned. So, here, before you have the problem, buy yourself some Flat Screen Clean tonight, and you won't have that problem. And those of you who have purchased it already, you can tell a friend about it. Word of mouth is the best way to advertise. And you can see it's really simple. So I'm going to do one more time here and we should be done. And I'll get into what you get and the price. And as you can see, it's not clean. Oh no. It's not clean. It's Flat Screen Clean. So, if you like what you see, go ahead and act right now and order yours today. It's that simple. So what I used tonight is I used our 4-ounce bottle, but I'll go down the line on what we have going on here tonight. So we have an 8-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean, and what you get in the price is you get the 8-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean, you get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, and then you get this insert card, which has all our information on it. Okay, you want to follow us on social media. It has our phone number on it. If you want to call us, you can do it. Call us. We'll answer. We answer our phones. We get back to our customers. We have an answering service, but we don't have an animated service. And you get this bag to keep the towel from getting contaminated. It's that simple. $14.95, free shipping. That's right, free shipping. That's free shipping for everybody. Not only Prime members, but if you're not a Prime member, it's free shipping. $14.95 plus free shipping. And you may get an additional coupon off this product if you haven't ordered from us before. It's that simple. Okay? So now, let's get into our 4-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean. 4-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean. Yes, that's what you get. 4-ounce bottle. And then you get the Super Blue Microfiber Towel, which is a 16 by 16 inch Super Blue Microfiber Towel, one of the largest towels on the market. And yes, you get the insert card again with all our information. And you get the bag to protect the towel from getting contaminated. I'll get into what do you mean by contaminated. $12.95 plus shipping and handling for our 4-ounce bottle. All right. And then we have our travel size bottle. Our travel size bottle is a 2-ounce bottle. It's TSA approved. And what you get with this is, yes, you do get a Super Blue microfiber towel, but this one is a 12 by 12. So this is for your travel needs, which is pretty big. So you get this, again, you get the insert card, again, with all our information, and you get the bag to protect the towel, all for $8.95 plus shipping and handling. Okay? And then we have our mini Super Blue microfiber towel, which is used for your glasses or very small screens. Now we sell this for $1.95 plus shipping and handling. Okay? This is nice to have tucked away so you can clean your glasses, because your glasses do get dirty. And you can use it with Flat Screen Clean. Okay, and then we have our Super Blue microfiber towel. Yes, our Super Blue microfiber towel. And what you get with this is obviously the Super Blue microfiber towel, the insert card, and the bag to protect the towel. All for $5.95 plus shipping and handling. Okay, but wait, there's more. If you order and spend $20 or more on our website, on Flat Screen Clean, on Amazon, and excuse me 1 second because I get a little tickle in my throat. I hate to do this. But I've been fighting a summer cold. If you spend $20 or more on our site, free shipping. So if you want to get the 4-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean and the 2-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean, $21.90. Guess what? Free shipping for you. It's that simple. So we're here to meet your needs on getting Flat Screen Clean into your home. Now, we're not a one-dimensional screen cleaner. And what do I mean by that? Excuse me, 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm fighting this cold. Not only did we design it to clean the screens itself, but we also designed it to clean the backs of the units. So that's what I mean by not being a one-dimensional screen cleaner. So these get pretty gross back here also. So you can use Flat Screen Clean on the back of this. You can use Flat Screen Clean on your laptops. You can use it on the keyboards. You can use it on the entire unit. Whether or not you have protectors on it, it will clean it, and you won't have to worry about it. It will stay clean, like your TVs will stay clean. You'll notice it all depends on where you have it located. If it's in an area where it's located with high traffic, then obviously you'll be cleaning it more and more. Or if you have it above your fireplace or beside your fireplace, you might get, not now you won't get it, but in the wintertime you get, I call it fire dust is what you get. You get dust on it from when you have fires at night. So it'll also clean your Macs and your keyboards there and your desktops, your iMacs, your Pros, everything. It'll clean them to the extreme. So we're not a one-dimensional screen cleaner. We put a face with our product. This guy right here, I'm Vincent Regani. I'm president, CEO, and founder of Regani LLC, makers of Flat Screen Clean. Yes, I had a major problem, and we all have this problem. And the problem is you guys don't shop until you need a screen cleaner when you have a problem, whether your kid drew on your TV or put crayon on it or did whatever, or it's just dirty. So we're also different from our competitors, meaning, okay, we put a face with our product, we put our phone number out there, we're easy to get in contact with. It's made from all natural ingredients. It's alcohol and ammonia free. And I'm a professional house cleaner by trade, so I use this product every single day. And we made sure it would clean to the extreme. Crazy that it will remove permanent marker. And as you can see, I just used kids paint tonight, but this does happen. So if you like what you see, go ahead and act right now and order yours tonight. And we ship everything priority mail. So if it's that simple, we do all our own fulfillment. So priority mail will be through the United States Postal Service. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours tonight. And I'm going to go and get something, maybe some hot tea for this throat, because a summertime cold stinks. So thank you for watching. Have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.